we all learn from our mistakes, but what can you do? I mean, in this situation, this is just pure unlucky. Let me break down exactly what went through my mind entering this trade. So first we had, like, obviously not taking into account here, just looking at this zone over here. What do we have? We had an SMT on NAS and ES because they're two correlated assets. Then we also had it inside of a fair value gap. So this was like A plus plus. This was a beautiful, beautiful entry. Then coming down to the 1 minute, not the two, the 1 minute, what did we have? We had a beautiful manipulation at the highs. Again, 15-minute SMT and fair value gap. Very nice. So manipulation at the highs, market structure shift, inversion fair value gap. And right on that break of that full body close, I took that entry. As you can see, 5 contracts in a short position. I was holding it. Here, it was going a bit against me, but still, I was fine because we never made a full body close past this inversion. I was chilling. We ended up breaking down, and would you look at that? Would you look at that? Can you, this is like, maybe like a 1 cent move. It's 0.25 cents. You see the smile on my face? I'm so happy. 0.25 cents. Didn't take my take profit. No. Why? Because why would it take my take profit? And then we ended up having that push higher. And obviously, since we've already made this big distribution lower, I go to break even. It's a risk-free trade. You know what happens? Break even. So got stopped out, $0. And then the market says, you know what? I want to go back down. Boom. Right down here. And if you see my short, I don't know, I posted my my TikTok, my Instagram reel, or my short. If you look at it, you're going to see I had 5 contracts in here. Over here, I was going to take off 4 contracts and let the runners run, as I always say. Now I would have targeted this -2. That would have been perfect. So, yeah. What can you do? I mean, it's very unfortunate that I got stopped out or break even there. And really sucks because this was honestly a very nice move in the market. So it is what it is. Learn from our mistakes. Maybe I don't go to break even next time, or maybe I just put a closer TP, but it's unfortunate. So if you did like these type of videos, let me know in the comments. I'll try to make more of them. If you do like them, leave a like, subscribe. And also, if you want to learn how to trade one-on-one with me, I do have a mentorship down below. You have a free trial, so you can check it out, see if you like it. If it's the right place for you, then you can join. If not, then it is what it is. So hope you have a beautiful rest of your day.